the second part of the CVE rack project. Now before I begin this video, I would just like to show you the proper command to clone the CVE list v5 repository, because I don't think it showed on my last video. So all you have to do is do git clone this, and after you press enter, you should see a folder in your folder called CV list v5. And if you want to update the folder, all you have to do is do git pull in the folder to update all your CVEs. Anyway, so back to the second part of the project. Now, as we can see, after we get cloned, we could see all of these. We can see this JSON of a specific CV. For example, this is CV 2024 5006. And we got like short name, word reference, it's published, we have all of this relevant data. Now for our case, what we want is the vendor name, the CVE, and the description. So if we can just find the description over here, it tells me the description. Now, how do we get this all into a single file? Well, I made a Python script called extract CV4. It might be named extract CV on the Git repository when I publish it. With this, what it does is that I have the folder path. Yours might be different. For example, right now it's extracting all the data from 2024, but you could do from 2024 to 2023. You just have to change the years each time you call the function. Call the file. And for this, it's getting the metadata, which is CVID. It's getting the vendor name, product, and the description, and putting it into a single text file. Now, for our case, we want to name it CV description 2024. You might want to name it, 2024 all the way to 2022. With that, you would just have to do 2024 the first time for the file path, and then just change it to 2023, and it should concatenate all the years together. Now this should be converted into a txt file. So if we just call it, let's call this file or this script Python 3 extract CV4. If you run this, it will now read each file from 2024 and update it into a text file. It's going to take a while, so I'm just going to do Control-C. But we should get a text file called CV description. I think this one is called CV description 1. And we should see all this data. Now, the second part of this is just to copy and paste this and go to Word or any third-party application and turn this txt file into a PDF. What I like to do is just go on Word, copy-paste this text into the document, and save as a PDF, because our next part of the project will read PDFs. And to sum it up, what this Python script does, extract CVE, is it opens the JSON folder, extracts all the CVEs, and puts into a single document.